beats a pool day?
Ken, you did bring the camera, right?
Of course I would never forget. It's right here. Time to film you, ladies.
The water feels amazing. Come on, film us swimming.
Your wish is my command. This video's gonna go viral. Wait, what's that? A floaty? Okay, big smiles.
Hey there!
And here comes the one and only Sammy. Who wants a taste of my world-famous lemonade?
Oh, make that 2 for me.
An extra ice for us.
Yeah, don't hold back on the ice.
Got it. So, what are you guys up to here?
Say cheese.
Hey, what's going on? Why is the fun starting without me?
Whoa, Sammy, hold still. The camera's all blurry.
That's because I'm super quick. Oh, Sue!
Hey, what about that lemonade?
Hi, Sue.
Hi, everyone. I brought my camera, too.
Oh.
Come on, let's get a picture.
Let's go. Make sure you shoot my left side. That's my best angle.
Okay.
Or maybe the right... No, the left.
Sammy, stop spinning around. Just pick one already.
Fine, I'll stay still. Take the shot.
And say cheese. Done. You guys can relax now. I hope I didn't blink. Let's see. Sammy, come take a look. Where'd he go?
Huh? Weird. He was just standing right next to me.
Maybe he remembered the lemonade at last.
Huh? What's going on? Everything looks so weird. Where am I? Hello? Can anybody hear me? Hey, buddy, wake up already. Come on. Ugh. If you don't blink right now, I'm throwing a party inside your house. What? No way. Wait, what? You too? Oh, no. I've got to send a signal. Sue, I'm stuck inside the photo.
How did you end up in there?
Get me out. Hurry, Sue, please. Ugh.
Hang on. I think I've got an idea. Just give me a second. There. This should move you into the phone.
Whoa, wait, not my bad angle.
Phew. Okay, it worked. Are you okay, Sammy?
I'm okay, but I can't say the same about your phone.
What?
I mean, it's a total mess in here. Wow, someone hasn't cleaned up in forever, huh?
We've got a problem. You need to get out of there. My phone's about to die.
What? Come again? So what if the battery's low?
Sammy, you'll be stuck inside.
Nope, I can totally hop between gadgets. We've got super fast Wi-Fi at home. Watch this. Ta-da! See? I can go back and forth just like that. Oh, hey, Sue, what's this cool thing?
That's a WowCube. Super cool toy. But hang on. How do I get you out of there?
Since I'm in the WowCube, I guess I'll wow around. Whoa, everything looks so futuristic and so cubey. Look at all these butterflies. Sue, they're adorable. Aww.
What should I... Sammy! Focus! You need to find the way out.
Right. Exit first, butterflies later. Huh? What's this? Let's take a closer look. Not squishy, not plushy. Oh, big sign says do not push. Sue, there's a giant red button that says do not push. What do I do?
If it says don't push, then don't push it.
Oopsie. Sorry, Sue. Too late. Whoa, did everything just change? Or did I teleport again? A dead end? Where am I supposed to go? No doors anywhere. And if there are no doors, that means...
It's a puzzle challenge. I think your first task is about to show up.
If I were a challenge, where would I hide? Oh, found something. But what even is this? A duck? And the number 30? I don't get it. Sue, do we need 30 ducks?
Hold on. No, Sammy. We need to draw a duck and finish it in 30 seconds. Okay, setting the timer. Wish me luck, guys. Here's the wing, then the tail. Now let's color our little ducky. Oh no, time's almost up. Hurry! Phew, made it. Sammy, are you okay?
Whoa! Yes, it worked. Something new just popped up. Found the next challenge. It's me. And a bunch of question marks. I think it's a me puzzle. What do you see?
Give me a second. I think I found it. Oh, what's this? This game is so cool. You have to roll the ball into the next spot.
Yay! Sue, we need the puzzle, not the game. Duh!
Yeah, Sammy. I'm almost winning.
Susan, focus. Come on, I want to get out of here already.
And Sue wins another round. Oh, right, Sammy. Sorry. Found the puzzle. Let's see. Yep, it's a matching game. We need to match pictures of Sam. Do you guys see any? Ding, ding! Found one. And another one. Cutie! Oh, I think that was the last one.
So, is it done?
Mission accomplished. All done.
Yeah, I can feel it. Something's happening. Whoa, huh? Am I back? Did it work? Let me check. Yes, it worked. Sue, I'm back. Woohoo! I can zip back and forth. Yeah. Sue!
You're back.
Yep, thanks for helping me.
I'm so happy you're here again.
Since I can hop into gadgets now, I've got an idea. Air fryer. Tell me, Sue. You thinking what I'm thinking?
We need cupcakes, and don't forget about the buns.
Sam the baker is back in action. Let's do this. Whoa, it's a full-on sweet factory here. Keep it together, Sammy. Sue asked for buns. So many buttons. Okay, just press here and here.
Buns! Yay, they're perfect. Delicious. You're a real baker.
You bet.
Oh, by the way, I've got another request. Can you help me tidy up my phone?
No problem, Sue. Your phone's in good hands. Super Cleaner Sam and his trusty broom have arrived. Phew. All done. Files sorted. Viruses cleaned. Phew. I need a nap.
Hey, Sammy? What's taking you so long? Sammy, come on! Maybe he's over here? Sammy, where are you? Aww. There you are. Tired, little buddy. While Sammy's catching some Z's, I want to say thanks, guys, for hanging out with us today. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
No! Leave me alone! Ah! Shh! Quiet! I think he's lost me!
Where are you, my little pink friend? You won't save this world. You're just a slime.
We'll see about that, but a bit later. Wow, what a weird place. I see a way out. Ouch! Huh? Why can't I get out? Hello? Help! Gotta push harder. It worked! Now, I need something I can use to defeat... Aha! Nope, it won't work.
this room. Great job, Barbie.
Wow, it's just what I need. Hey, Barbie, can I... Stop it! I took a shower this morning. Enough. Listen, can I borrow this thingy?
Hey, I need it for cleaning. It's not a toy, Sammy.
Oh, if only I could tell you the truth. What is that?
Huh?
Sorry about that.
Sammy, give it back. What's going on?
I'm so sorry, Barbie. I promise I'll give it back. You won't get away, dust monster. Where are you hiding? To catch dust, I need to think like dust. But, huh?
Wow, you're here, Sammy. We've been waiting for you.
You knew I'd come, but who are you?
I'm Leon. I live in this digital world you need to save.
Me and my pee-pee duster are ready for action.
Buckle up and let's go. Whee!
Yay! Wow, what a cool place. What is this city, Leon?
This is a digital world filled with countless bits of information. Words, pictures, videos. Its clever name is Connection Module.
Wow, that's so amazing. Oh, Leon, this video is glowing.
That's because it's a viral video.
Oh no! If it's viral, it needs treatment. How can we help it?
Don't worry, Sammy. A viral video just has loads of views.
Phew. I thought it needed our help, huh? I see a local. Hi, Mr. Cookie. Can I ask you something? Have you seen Dust Monster by any chance?
Not personally, but I've seen the destruction he leaves.
Uh-oh, looks creepy. I should have taken Barbie with me.
We need to hurry before everything is ruined.
Uh-oh. I wish we had a super eye to spot Dust Monster in no time.
Sammy, you're a genius. Let's go.
Yay! Was that teleportation? It was so fast. Leon, where are we?
This is a special room with dozens of screens. Hey, bro, could you let us in? It's urgent.
Identification failed. Password required.
Wow, Face ID protection, very secure. If only someone knew the password. Wait a second, that's me.
Stay still. Scanning in process.
It tickles. Well, how are we gonna find the monster?
Using this, our super eye. These new smartphone cameras can see everything.
Wow, awesome! But all this running got me hungry.
Despite their small size, these cameras see tiny details.
Woohoo! Yeah, sounds very exciting.
It is. And Sammy, come look at this feature.
I was so close to the sweetest meal of my life. So, what is it? Shall I look right into this lens? Wow, the cities of this world are so beautiful. Wait, what's that? Leon, what is that tall construction?
Oh, it's a fun place. Music Tower. All your songs are kept there.
Oh, Huh? What's going on? The camera is getting dusty. It's the monster.
Uh-oh.
I see him. He's coming closer.
We found him.
Yes.
Get ready, Sammy.
I'll consume this place. I see you've been waiting for me, and I'm finally here.
Great! It's time to expel you once and for all.
I didn't expect him to be so scary. Ah!
Huh? Leon, don't leave me alone. I see. Well, I'm ready for the dance battle.
Yay! It's gonna be epic. Sammy, you rock.
Huh? What? We're gonna dance? Don't get it.
Watch me, deaf loser. What do you say to that?
I can do no worse.
Gotcha! You can't hide now. Ah!
Sorry, I didn't help enough, Sammy. I got scared.
Come on, it's okay to be afraid. If we didn't feel fear, we wouldn't feel brave either.
Thank you so much, Sammy. Bye.
I've lost Sammy. Sammy, where are you? And why is my phone here?
Oh, Sue is calling me. Bye, Leon. I'll see you soon, and you'll tell me more about this world.
Here we go. That's better. Are we playing hide and seek? Gotcha! Weird. I thought Sammy was there. Well, I'll find you anyway, Sammy. Let me think. Ah! What's going on? Ah! Ow, Sammy? What were you doing in the phone?
Sue, it's a long story. You won't believe it. There were ruins everywhere, and dust, tons of dust, and then he came.
Sammy? Sammy, calm down.
Sue, promise me one thing. Promise that you'll always keep your phone clean.
Okay, Sammy, I promise. Look, I've already started. It's sparkly clean.
Aha, gotcha. It's my pee-pee duster. Give it back. Now.
What are you talking about?
Sam took it.
Sam, want to explain?
Well, guys, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and keep your gadgets clean. Bye! Gotta run! Duh!